should be my Monday, but I've been working all week, so I've been going strong already for 7 days. I'm working today, tomorrow, and then I'm off tomorrow night. Tomorrow night I'm off to Laughlin, Nevada. If you guys have never been to Laughlin, Nevada, it's considered the river. So I'll be taking you guys with me, showing you guys what's up. Beautiful place. It's our kind of our place where our family always goes on vacation. We go there probably 2 or 3 times a year. It's about 3.5 hours from here, but it's just a great getaway. And then this weekend's going to be an ugly weekend anyway. It's going to be raining, and so it's our chance to get out of here. And you know, we're all going to take off. I'm going to take my in-laws with me and taking my mom's, and so there's quite a big group going, so it should be a lot of fun. All right, guys. I'm gonna head back to the shop right now and get back into this. It is right now, it's almost 1 o'clock. It's kind of a slow Thursday. I haven't done too many haircuts, maybe 4 at the most. So it's been a slow morning. There's 5 of us working, so we got a full crew almost. But we'll make it work. I'll get back with you guys. Maybe I'll post up a haircut or one of the other boys or something. We'll get into it. All right? Late. Oh yeah, one other thing I forgot to mention too. I'm gonna try not to say late anymore because my girl says I sound like a cholo. I don't know where she gets that idea from, but I'm gonna try to slow down my talking a little bit, maybe talk a little clearer. She was really clowning me last night on how I sound and some of the words that I say, so I'm gonna try to better that and make it more professional. She was making fun of me because I roll my S's. I told her I'm Mexican, I'm paisa. We have an accent, sorry. All right. Late. Just kidding, babe.
What's it called?
You don't see this every day at the shop. All the barbers sitting down.